This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. VS Code is installed and updated, and you have internet. Open VS Code now and look at the activity bar on the left. Once done, click the square extensions icon. That is the only path to add an extension. You don't need to open a project yet. This first step reaches the marketplace. Make sure your account or machine allows extensions so the marketplace content loads without restriction and you can search immediately. You now search for Python in the extensions pane and use filters like popular or relevance to narrow results. Look specifically for the extension published by Microsoft with high installs. That confirms official support. Click the extension to open its detail page so you can inspect features such as linting, debugging, and language server use. Once satisfied, press Install. If prompted, allow recommended dependencies. These enable completion, debugging, and environment detection, so accept them to get a fully working setup. After installation, click Reload or Restart VS Code to activate the extension. Open a Python file to confirm the extension is active. You should see a Python interpreter selector in the status bar, and language features like linting and IntelliSense start working. If things don't appear, make sure you selected a valid interpreter and that the Python extension's language server finished initializing. If problems persist, reload the window. Verify proxy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.